A team of Japanese scientists at the University of Tokyo have actually developed human living skin from human skin cells for robots that heals itself. Shoji Take-uchi, a professor at the University of Tokyo who led the team of scientists, says that the researchers created a new type of tissue molding method, instead of cutting the skin to fit the finger. The artificial skin was found to repel water and repair itself when injured with minor wounds and abrasions. The skin's ability to repair itself when injured replicates living organisms' skin. The robot finger had 1 centimetre in diameter and about 5 centimetres long. Its surface is covered with cells cultured from human skin. This new material feels, functions and behaves just like normal skin on a human being. The artificial skin developed for current robots is usually made of silicone, which mimics human appearance. There has also been limited success in fabricating living skin sheets to cover robots. It is very difficult to conform them to dynamic objects with uneven surfaces. And it does not achieve realistic delicate textures like wrinkles, and it lacks skin-specific functions. The skin is not for long-term use at the moment because it has no blood vessels to supply it with nutrition. Take-uchi believes that living skin is the ultimate solution to make robots look and feel like living creatures.
That is the news. Make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notification. Have a nice day.